Basically, Nilkamal Limited, we have three major divisions. One is a furniture division, the other one material handling division, and third one is at home. So, and we belong to material handling division. So, in material handling division, we have various products. So, it has started with industrial crates. So, these industrial crates are mainly used in the industries for storing of the tools, bolts, other things. And in crates, we have another division called fruits and vegetables division. It's called FNV division. In FNV, those crates are mainly used for the vegetables in the vegetable markets, in general stores and other things. Apart from industrial crates, we have other products. So in that we have one of this division is called material handling equipment division. This material handling equipment division is of it consists of equipments which are used for material handling in all the industries. In this material handling division, we have products right from hand pallet truck, which is a small product used for the transportation of the material, till reach truck, and also forklifts, which you can see in the behind. Apart from that, we are the authorized dealers for Mitsubishi forklift trucks, which is ranked 7th in the world. So we are the authorized distributor. So we do sales and service of the Mitsubishi forklift trucks also. Apart from that, we have a Indo-German joint venture for racking system. It is Nilkamal Bitto Storage Systems Private Limited. We have a plant in Jammu. So here in racking system, we do pallet storage system, universal storage system, boltless storage system, mezzanine flooring, multi-tier storage systems, all types of storing systems, right from a small application to a very big application where you can store materials. So this is also done by us. Apart from that, we have products for dairy industries. We supply dairy crates for milk packets and all, and we also provide milk cans for the dairy industry. And in the material handling equipment system, we also have a division called pallets division. In pallets division, there are injection molded pallets as well as roto molded pallets. These pallets are used for any industry. So it can be used in the pharma industry or the electronic industry, any industry. This is also mainly for the movement. So the main concept of Nilkamal Limited is a total solution, one-stop shop for all the material handling. And apart from that, recently we have developed a product called this is a joint venture within Geoplast and Nilkamal Limited, and this is mainly for the foam work. So in our language, it is called centering work. In industrial equipment, see, we have clients in all the sectors. In pharma sector, if you see, we have supplied to Matrix, Dr. Reddy's, Aurobindo, all the major pharma sectors. Apart from that, if you see logistics, we have supplied to SLT Logistics, Future Logistics, all these customers. If you see industries, we have been catering to all the industries. We have supplied to Mahindra and Mahindra, Ashok Leyland. Beverages, we have supplied to Coca-Cola, Pepsi.